Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to view only videos on your Google Photos. So as you can see guys, I have opened the Google Photos in my phone. So the Google Photos was showing mixed content like images and videos. So now I want to view only video file in my Google Photos app. Okay, so for this guys, you can try this method. In the bottom right side corner of your screen, here you can get the search option. Just tap on it. Okay, and here you can get the option videos. Just need to select the videos only like this. Okay, now it will show you only videos stored on your phone, as you can see guys. Okay, as you can see. So this is the way to view only videos on your Google Photos. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.